first thing that we're gonna do is remove both rear wheels and tires. Then we're gonna disconnect the radius arms from the knuckle. Remove the nut, then the washer, then just pick up on the trailing arm, and then disconnect the radius arms. Then we're gonna go to the center and remove the radius arms from the frame of the machine. And we're just gonna slide the bolts out, as well as the radius arms. Make sure that you keep your radius arms separate, with the top being the shorter of the two arms. Then we're gonna compare our factory radius arms to our new SuperATV arms, match them up, and then get them reinstalled. Looks like we have our longer one here on the bottom, so we matched it up with our longer radius arm. So that means our top is gonna be the shorter. So we're gonna line that up as well. We're gonna go ahead and get our new radius arm installed on the machine. We're gonna go ahead and cut the zip tie off of our bushing. So now we're gonna install our lower radius arms. One thing to keep in mind when you install these is the inner bushing will be smaller for the bolt. And the outer will be larger for the stud on the knuckle. You're going to use all your factory hardware, so you're going to leave the brass washer and install the factory washers after the radius arms are installed. You're going to make sure that the SuperATV is facing out. Then go ahead and reinstall the washer and the nut. Then we'll go ahead and fully tighten these. Then we'll repeat all these steps for the upper radius arm on this side and repeat all the steps for the opposite side. One of the awesome things about SuperATV's radius arms is that they are double adjustable. All you have to do is loosen the jam nuts, grab a hold of the center of the radius arm, adjust it to get your camber set, and you're good to go. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's radius arms on a Honda Talon 1000R. For more information on these radius arms, or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427, or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.